What's going on, guys? This is actually the part 2 of what I have created, that Hindi video. This video is going to be in English, so just say me what is actually better, English or Hindi. Based on that, we may be seeing the future videos as well. So let's get started. Now what I want to show is that how we can actually remove this self-weight of the beam. For that thing, what I'm going to do is just select that thing. Actually, don't even need to select that thing. Go for define, and then I'm going to go for load patterns. In that load patterns, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just remove this one because it's actually logged right now. I cannot do that thing, so that's it. I'm just canceling it. Go for unblocking the model, click on OK, and then select this thing again. Sorry, not to select this thing. I'm going to go for define and then go for the load patterns here, and you can see everything is open in order to change that thing. I'm just selecting it, making it 0, and clicking on modify, and you can see here that is nothing right now. Now I'm going to click on OK, and now I'm going to analyze this thing. Just click here, and yeah, I think it's about to do. Yeah, it's done. Now once it's done, if I'm again repeating the process what I have done in the previous video, just select this thing, go for apply, and then OK, and you can see there isn't any diagram looking. If I'm right clicking also, you can see there isn't anything. It is because it is not taken the self-weight, and the load I didn't put anything. So now if you want to put some load, like this is actually 6 meters beam on which I'm going to put a load of, let us say, 20 kilonewton. If I'm going to put the load of 20 kilonewton, so 20 into 6 is going to be maybe 120 at the moment, and the shear force diagram is going to be a box which is 20 kilonewton completely. So how these things are going to be possible, let's see. So I'm going to put a load here somewhere here. So how the things are possible is just I'm selecting it. It's actually joint where I'm going to put the load. So that's the reason I'm selecting the joint here. Go for the assign, and you can see here I will be having different kind of loads like joint load and so on and so on. But right now it is actually grayed up because it is locked. Unlock that thing first, click on OK, and then what I'm going to do is select this again, go for the sign, and you can see here I'm having an option of joint loads, and I'm going to go for force. In that force, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for, maybe you can put that thing in dead load pattern or live load pattern, it's your wish. Right now I'm going to go for dead load pattern, and because it's actually having an axis, that axis is perhaps Z. Let me just show you how the axis we need to select. This is the axis what you can be looking here. I need to put the load downside, that's the reason it's actually opposite to the Z axis. So I'm going to go for assign, and I'm going to go for joint load first, and then that thing you can see I'm having force global Z. So here I'm going to put the load. I'm putting here minus 20. Putting minus 20 because I will be having a opposite direction of this Z. Just spanning it here, and this is already selected, no problem. And then I'm going to click on apply, and you can see here I actually having the load. There's pretty much of options you can actually see here. In any video I will be showing you what exactly these options are about. So however, I have put the load 20 kilonewton, and we are actually having the distance as well 6 meters. So let's analyze and see how things are going to be possible. Just click here, or you can actually have the shortcut key as well, that is F5. Once you're analyzing it, and yeah, now you can see here how, because that load is getting bent here. Now I want to see the bending shear force. Even if you want to see the displacement as well, you can just hover your cursor over this, and you can see UZ that is equal to minus 10.131, which is in terms of mm. Okay, now let's get to the bending moment part. I'm going to click somewhere here, and then you can see here I'm having M33, which is actually the bending moment which we are going to see. However, these other thing options are also there. If you're interested, you may ask me in the comment sections. So I'm clicking on apply, and you can see here I'm actually getting a bending moment, and you can see here I will be getting something 120. Why? Because 20 multiplied by 6, which is going to be 2, 6 are 12, and 120 is going to be your answer. If you're going to go for shear force, click on apply, and you can see it's going to be box, as I said you. Because of this 20, we'll be having a box kind of thing. If you want to see the detail, you just right click here, and you can see we'll be having the shear force, and it's going to be bending moment. So that's pretty much about this tutorial. If you want more videos like this thing, you can actually ask me in the comment section what exactly you want. Based on that, I'll be preparing the videos. So thanks for watching, and do say me in the comment section which video you want in the future. Okay, so have a nice day or night, whatever you are in.